I'm Belinda, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own organic cream cleansers using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First of all, log in and select the organic program from the tiers, and then select the Cream Cleanser Organic formulation build and click Create. First, I'm going to pick my water alternative, and so that I've got a great story to tell about how gentle this formula is, I'm going to be using the reconstituted aloe vera juice. Next, I'm going to select my humectant. I'm going to use propane diol. Next, I'm going to pick my gum, and I'm going to use xanthan gum. This helps stabilize the formula really effectively and build some viscosity. Next, I'm going to select my anionic emulsifier. I'm going to use glycerol stearate citrate for this formula. Next, I'm going to pick my non-ionic emulsifier. This helps make the product really mild on the skin. I'm going to use the cetyl alcohol and cetyl glucoside blend, and this will also help build some viscosity and make the cleanser really creamy. I'm next going to select some oils. For this product, I'm going to select some organic evening primrose oil and some caprylic cupric triglycerides. Next, I'm going to select a preservative. I'm going to use the GeoGuard Ultra because it provides really effective coverage. I'm going to select some essential oils now. I'm going to use some bergamot, some geranium, and some rosemary. Next, I'm going to pick an active. Because I want this to be a really gentle but effective cleanser, I'm going to add some pumpkin enzyme. This provides effective natural exfoliation. Next, I'm going to add some antioxidant. Then I can click on Generate Method, and here is my formula, and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make this beautifully mild but effective organic cream cleanser. You can get making your own organic cleansers this easily too with the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com and get making your own organic cleansers today. Happy formulating!